Hi there, it's me again, your Lavanya. We are discussing Thiruvarutpayan, verse number 85 for today. This particular verse resonates exactly what we have seen already in Unmai Vilakkam. Let's look at the verse now. Malar Thirodam Malam Mudala Marumo Mela Si Meela Vidin. If you remember, there was two songs in Unmai Vilakkam which says, whenever you want to achieve self-realization, we need to start chanting the mantra which is starting with C. When we start chanting the mantra with Na, we may not, that might not lead us to the path of salvation. This is what we saw in Unmai Vilakkam. Exactly the same concept is being resonated over here. If you look at this particular song, this particular verse, it talks about two things, which is the camouflaging Shakti, which is called as Thirodam, which is basically whatever we are getting entangled in the earth, worldly pleasures around us, right? That is number one. The second one is the entanglement, which is called as Arnavam. So, Thirodam and Arnavam, those two, when it is binding the soul is not ready or not yet ready, or it is not able to get away from this entanglement and move towards the concept of Si and Va. The moment we say we need to reach Si Va, the only option is to get rid of this Na and Ma. So what we should be doing, we need to start chanting the mantra which starts with Si. Now the next confusion we may have is, hey, when you say we have to start chanting the mantra with Si, there are so many mantras. We have Sivaya Nama, we have Sivaya Siva, we have Siva Siva. So which one should I start chanting? That answer is something that I don't think we are authorized to discuss about. It should be decided only by a guru who knows our maturity, our level of understanding, our soul's maturity level, and he will be the one giving us the mantra whichever is fit for us or what we are eligible to achieve. Once he gives us the mantra, we should start chanting that 100% with 100% focus, and that will bring us to the next level. That is what today's verse is talking about. I'll come back again with the next verse very soon. Until then, bye-bye.